Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mass gainer supplements that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the MuscleTech Mass Gainer Protein Powder. We've been using MuscleTech Mass Gainer Protein Powder for a few weeks now, and we're already seeing some impressive results. The high-quality protein and easily digestible carbs make it easy to get the calories we need to pack on muscle, and the addition of creatine monohydrate helps us see faster gains in strength and size. One thing to keep in mind is that the serving size may be too thick for some users. We found that using a blender helped to make the mixture smoother and easier to drink. Also, be sure to store the powder in a cool, dry place to avoid any melting or damage. Overall, if you're looking for a mass gainer supplement that will help you see real results, MuscleTech Mass Gainer Protein Powder is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to follow the instructions carefully and use a blender for best results. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dymatize Super Mass Gainer Protein Powder. Dymatize Super Mass Gainer Protein Powder is a one-stop shop for gaining mass and building strength. With 1,310 calories and 245 grams carbs per serving, it helps even the hardest gainers pack on mass. The 52 grams of protein per serving, a blend of fast, medium, and slow digesting proteins, provides muscle support. Additionally, the product contains enough calories for burning and to prevent muscle mass from being used as fuel, BCAAs as building blocks, creatine for strength and endurance, and glutamine to help with recovery. We found that the product mixes easily and tastes delicious, especially in gourmet vanilla flavor. However, we did notice that exposure to heat or sunlight may lead to melting, damage of the product, so it's crucial to be available during the product delivery. Furthermore, we recommend drinking 1.5 cups 4 times a day because drinking a whole serving may cause a heavy, creamy, grainy taste. Finally, some users may experience more frequent bathroom trips with this product. Overall, Dymatize Super Mass Gainer Protein Powder is an excellent choice for those looking to gain mass and build strength quickly. At number 3, we have the Naked Nutrition Vanilla Naked Mass. We've tried Naked Nutrition Vanilla Naked Mass and found that it's a great way to add calories and protein to our diet. The powder is easy to mix with water or milk, and we appreciate that it contains only a few simple ingredients. The grass-fed whey and casein provide a healthy source of amino acids, and the gluten-free organic tapioca maltodextrin is a clean source of complex carbohydrates. One downside is that the powder can be clumpy and may not mix well, especially if you don't use a blender or shaker bottle. Additionally, some users may not enjoy the taste, which is subtle and not overly sweet. Finally, the measuring scoop included with the powder may not be accurate, so it's important to weigh the powder for accurate measurements. Overall, we recommend Naked Nutrition Vanilla Naked Mass for anyone looking to gain weight and add protein to their diet. It's a clean, all-natural option that provides maximum nutrition without any artificial ingredients. At number 2, we have the Ronnie Coleman Signature Series King Mass the 40th Protein Powder. We have been using Ronnie Coleman Signature Series King Mass the 40th Protein Powder for a few months now, and it has helped us gain weight and build muscle. The chocolate flavor is delicious, and it tastes like a milkshake. We usually mix it with milk to get the best taste. Each full serving has 180 grams of carbohydrates and 1,000 plus calories, which is perfect for gaining weight. The only downside is that it contains sugars, which may not be suitable for some people. Also, the powder may not mix well with water, so we recommend using milk instead. Overall, we highly recommend this mass gainer for anyone who wants to gain weight and muscle. And finally, at number 1, we have the Naked Mass. We've been using Naked Mass for a while now and have been impressed with the results. It's a great way to pack on the pounds without resorting to artificial ingredients or unhealthy additives. One of the things we love about Naked Mass is its simplicity. With only 3 ingredients, it's easy to understand exactly what you're putting into your body. And because it's free from artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colors, you can feel good about what you're consuming. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Naked Mass is a powerhouse when it comes to nutrition. With 50 grams of protein, 252 grams of carbs, and 1,250 calories per serving, it's an excellent way to fuel your body for muscle growth and weight gain. We also appreciate the multi-phase clean protein formula, which combines fast-release grass-fed whey with slow-digesting micellar casein. This helps to keep protein synthesis up and provides the healthy amino acids your body needs. Of course, like any supplement, Naked Mass isn't perfect. Some users have reported difficulty mixing the powder, which can result in clumps. And while the unflavored version is great for versatility, it may not be to everyone's taste. Overall, we think Naked Mass is a top-notch weight gainer supplement that's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a clean and natural way to bulk up. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.